Okay, so this is the entry to downstairs, which is currently being used as storage and a staff accommodation. This was always intended to be my office, but you know the story about my son not wanting to move out of the waterfront home. At the moment, we just use it for storage. So in here, there are major support beams, but I still think this would make a great office. I mean, it's a nice big open space. All the walls are gyprock. The window frames are hardwood. They just need a bit of a sand back and clean. Okay, so this is a staff quarters. This is all made from Natura, which is one of the really good timber. But none of this is structural. Of course, there's support beams as per the plans in. This can all be removed, and then you have this big open area. So from staff down here, you've got across to what we call the office on the other side there. You can either have one big room or two big rooms. And also, you walk out your deck area here, but this isn't where the views is. As you know, the views are up higher. So upstairs, you've got your main entry, your balcony, or whatever you like to call it, which has the beautiful views out to the salt water and across the plantation, which is absolutely lovely. Every post here and the superstructure is all formed concrete with the right amount of steel and everything in it, more for cyclone, earthquake and everything like that. Excuse me. It's already been through, 7.3 earthquakes and things like that, and buildings still in one piece. Rendered concrete inside. Window frames just need to be redone. Big open space. These panels here can easily be removed. As you can see up there, they're not connected to any of the main support beams or anything like that. They're just concrete in and come out quite easy, depending on how you want to use the space. And the same over here. And remember, because you've got the poured concrete with a steel floor down here, your plumbing, your toilets and things like that, I think it'd be easier and cheaper if you went through the wall rather than going through the floor, because there's not availability of concrete cutters and things like that here. But that's personal choice. But I think the main feature of the house would have to be opening up to the view. And the breeze comes from the southeast, which is in that direction from that window. So these, when you're doing your design, you want airflow through the house. You have to somehow keep it open so those windows can let the air come out, and then come from my back where I am now and across the balcony here, and it's really nice. So guys, you've got a beautiful place to renovate. It's absolutely spectacular. The body, the frame and everything, it's perfect. And it's gonna make a really nice home. So yeah, you're very lucky.